The legal process in personal injury cases, generally speaking, involves several key steps. Number one, consultation with a lawyer. Initially, the injured party or plaintiff consults with the personal injury lawyer to discuss the case. This includes evaluating the incident, the extent of the injuries, and determining if there is a viable claim or case. Number two, filing a complaint. If the lawyer agrees to take the case, they will file a legal complaint against the responsible party or defendant. This complaint outlines the legal basis for the claim or claims and the damages sought. Number three, service of the complaint and response. The complaint is formally served to the defendant, who then has a set period to respond, either accepting responsibility or disputing the claim. Number four, discovery phase. Both sides gather evidence. This involves collecting medical records, eyewitness statements, expert testimonies, and other relevant information. Number five, pretrial motions and settlement negotiations. Before going to trial, there may be various motions, such as to dismiss the case or compel certain evidence. During this time, both parties may also engage in settlement negotiations to resolve the case without a trial. Number six, trial. If a settlement isn't reached, the case goes to trial. Both parties present their evidence and arguments. A judge or a jury then decides on the liability and the amount of damages, if any. Number seven, appeals process. After the trial, either party may appeal the decision if they believe there were legal errors or, things that went wrong that affected the outcome. Number eight, collection of judgment. If the plaintiff wins the case, the final step involves collecting the awarded damages from the defendant. Each personal injury case is unique, and the process may vary depending on the circumstances, the jurisdiction, and the complexity of the case. It's essential for those involved in a personal injury case to consult with legal professionals to understand the specific procedures and implications for their individual case. If you or someone you know have been injured due to the fault of someone else, call our office today.